Lit is a simple library for building fast, lightweight web components. At Lit's core is a boilerplate killing component base class that provides reactive state, scoped styles, and a declarative template system that's tiny, fast, and expressive. Documentation. See the full documentation for Lit at lit.dev. Additional documentation for developers looking to contribute or understand more about the project can be found in devdocs.npm. To install from npm, lit monorepo. This is the monorepo for Lit packages. Lit 2.x source is available on the 2.x branch. Lit HTML 1.x source is available on the Lit HTML 1.x branch. Packages. Core package is Lit, the primary user-facing package of Lit, which includes everything from Lit HTML and Lit Element. Lit Element, the web component base class used in Lit. Lit HTML, the rendering library used by Lit Element. At Lit Reactive Element, a low-level base class that provides a reactive lifecycle based on attribute property changes. Additional libraries at Lit Localize, a library and command line tool for localizing web applications built using Lit. At Lit Localize Tools, localization tooling for use with Lit Localize. At Lit React, a React component wrapper for web components. At Lit Task, a controller for Lit that renders asynchronous tasks. At Lit Context, a system for passing data through a tree of elements using browser events, avoiding the need to pass properties down every layer of the tree using a community-defined protocol. Labs at Lit Labs SSR, a server package for rendering Lit templates and components on the server. At Lit Labs/SR Client, a set of client-side support modules for rendering Lit components and templates on the server using at Lit Labs SSR. Lit Labs/Eleventy plugin Lit, a plugin for Eleventy that pre-renders Lit components using at Lit Labs SSR with optional hydration. At Lit Labs SSR React, a package for integrating Lit SSR with React and React frameworks. Lit Labs Next.js, a plugin for Next.js that enables deep server rendering of Lit components with Lit SSR. A Lit Labs Router, a router for Lit. Lit Labs/Motion, Lit directives for making things move. At Lit Labs Scoped-Registry Daxin, a mixin for Light element that integrates with the speculative scoped custom element registry polyfill. At Lit Labs Observers, a set of reactive controllers that facilitate using the platform observer objects. At Lit Labs Preact Signals integration for Lit. At Lit Labs Testing, utilities for testing Lit components. At Lit Labs/Virtualizer, viewport-based virtualization, including virtual scrolling. At Lit Labs/Compiler, a compiler for optimizing Lit templates. Starter kits not published to NPM. Lit Starter TS template repo, a starter repo for building reusable components using Lit and TypeScript. Lit Starter JS template repo, a starter repo for building reusable components using Lit and JavaScript. Internal packages not published to NPM. Tests, test infrastructure for the monorepo. Benchmarks for testing various libraries in the monorepo. At lit.internal/scripts, utility scripts used within the monorepo. Contributing to Lit is open source, and we appreciate issue reports and pull requests. See contributing.md for more information. Setting up the Lit monorepo for development. Initialize repo, git clone github.com/lit.git cd lit npmci. Build all packages. Test all packages. Run benchmarks for all packages. See individual package readings for details on developing for a specific package.